MCU Group DALI 2 controller switch acts as the brain of your lighting system. Let's start with the basics. A short press turns the assigned lighting group on, restoring the last active light level. Out of the box, the controller operates in broadcast mode, controlling all luminaires together. But you can easily move to group-based control with up to 4 groups. To start grouping, remove the knob and set the rotary switch to position 0, then refit the display. Press and hold the knob for more than 5 seconds to start the automatic search. The LEDs will cycle, indicating that addressing is in progress. Once the search is complete, each luminaire is ready for assignment. The controller will highlight the luminaire, and you can assign it to a group by selecting G1, G2, G3 or G4. Confirm each assignment with a short press of the knob and continue until all luminaires are assigned. Then the rotary backlight stops blinking and all luminaires flash 2 times. When finished, set the rotary switch to position C or D to enable group control mode, whereas position C enables scene storage and double-click. Position D disables it. Now you are ready to test your installation and check everything is commissioned properly. Once your groups are configured, the controller enables flexible lighting behavior. You can create and recall scenes, fine-tune dimming levels, and introduce automation through external inputs such as motion detectors or timer switches, all without the need for software or complex programming. What's important here is flexibility. You are not locked into a rigid configuration. The system can be adapted to changing requirements, whether that's a new room layout or updated lighting concepts. Let's change the group assignment of the luminaires we'd set up. Remove the knob and the glass plate and set the rotary switch A to position 1. Then refit the glass plate and the knob. To enter the change mode, press it for 5 seconds until the blue LED starts blinking. All luminaires are set to 10%. One luminaire will start blinking to indicate selection. The corresponding group will be indicated by its LED light. Select the group and confirm with a short press on the knob. The system will then switch to the next luminaire. You can scroll through luminaires by rotating the knob or pressing it briefly. Once the desired luminaire is selected, choose a new group using the G1 to G4 touch elements. Confirm the new assignment with a short press. To complete the process, press and hold the knob for more than 5 seconds. All luminaires will blink twice to confirm the update. Then remove the glass plate and return the rotary switch to its original position, C or D, and refit the glass plate and the knob. Now you are ready to test the new configuration. In this case, we are testing the single groups. Starting with Group 1. Group 2. Group 3, we can see both luminaires are turning on and off as configured. Let's double-check Group 4. As desired, it doesn't have active luminaires anymore. If you need to start from a clean configuration, for example, during recommissioning or troubleshooting, you can perform a reset. Start by removing the knob and glass plate. Note the actual position of rotary switch and then set it to position 9. Refit the glass plate and knob before continuing, as the device requires it for proper operation. If the lights are on, switch them off with a short press to the knob. Then press and hold the knob for more than 5 seconds until the lights switch to full brightness. Now, the controller sends a reset command to all DALI drivers, clearing group assignments, scenes, and restoring default dimming values. Once again, remove the knob and glass plate. Finally, return the rotary switch to its original position and refit the knob and glass plate. The system is now ready for recommissioning to control simplified operation and future-ready performance, all in one solution. If you are interested, get in touch.